Hi, hello, how's it going? It's evening, it's quite late, but it's still the 1st of December. Happy Vlogmas. So technically it is still the 1st of December, so I can technically start Vlogmas now, even though it's very, very late. So I am doing Vlogmas this year. I don't know how it's going to go. Reason I've been, like, missing in action today, or for a while even. It's so late I'm meshing my words together. Reason I haven't uploaded anything to any of my channels recently is because I've been trying to do like a timed 24-hour readathon vlog since the summer, and I don't think the challenge was a fail, editing it was a fail. So if I am going to do that, I think I should do it when I've got an umpteen amount of time blocked out, which I have this Christmas. So I think I should try and do that when I've got time off. So I'll try and do that and see how it goes. So we'll see. But I'm doing Vlogmas, and as you can see from the start of this video, I'm still in the middle of The Cat Who Caught a Killer by L.T. Sheaer. I can't pronounce the author's name at all. Apologies. But I am loving this book. I'm reading it physically, so it is very slow for me to read. But I'm loving this book. It's basically a talking cat comes to the rescue of Lulu, or Lou, I think her name is. Lulu Lewis, and she is a widow after her husband was killed, and then her mother-in-law dies mysteriously. Mysteriously, I can't speak. So she has to basically work that out. And just a moment notice, basically, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Just a note of warning, it's nearly 11 p.m. on the 1st of December. So it's quite late. So, yeah. I'm losing my mind. Okay, so basically Lulu is an ex-cop. So she is highly suspicious. And her brother-in-law Richard's weird, and her sister, and his wife is just bizarre. So the whole situation is just weird. And I feel so sorry for Lulu. I am in love with Comrade the cat. It's making me wish that our cat Coco can talk. I can't wait to finish this book. I'm hoping I can finish it tomorrow. I've got to work tomorrow though. So this video will continue into Vlogmas Day 2. So this has been Vlogmas Day 1. Very, very short. So we'll see. Stay tuned with me for Vlogmas. This is going on my descriptions on fiction channel. So it will be books, books, and more books. I'm still having really bad migraine issues, but as you've probably seen, it is now Vlogmas Day 3. and I finished A Cat That Caught a Killer, 5 stars, and now to take my mind off things, and now starting Mistletoe Murder by Leslie Murrell. I'm not pronouncing that right. And the book smells of biscuits. Great when you're feeling nauseous, but I'm still in it anyway. Okay, a little bit of an update. I haven't finished any more books, but I've done a bit more of, I think it's called Prophase or something, I'll put it there. Reading that digitally. I can't speak, I'm still coming off of a migraine, but I am getting a little bit better, but I'm not quite there yet. Anyway, and I'm still reading Mistletoe Murder. And one thing I would say about both of these books, it took a lot of time to get started. However, once you fully got into the books, they're really good. So if you give them a chance, you would get into them. However, with Prosper, the one with the cat on the front, it's now getting to something that I don't quite understand. Something has happened which I don't quite understand. It's gone from realism into a little bit of fantasy, and I don't quite understand the fantasy. Now that's pretty common for me, which is why I don't tend to go to the fantasy genre that much. Needless to say, I have read some fantasy books and have loved them, but it's a really hard genre for me, really difficult genre for me. So I wasn't expecting it to switch genres, but I am going to keep reading it. I mean, it's pretty short, so we'll see how that goes. Mistletoe Murder is interesting. I'm finding it difficult to read just because the font size is very small, and that's not very helpful when you're coming from migraine. But it's interesting. I'll keep reading it. I am going to finish up this Vlogmas video now, so stay tuned for more Vlogmas videos.